When you have a shortage of the right skills, often you have to pay more money for people. Let's take a look at some numbers you provided us, regionally at least, about wage increases, which seem to indicate the West is going up more than the other regions. Why is that?
It is. Well, I think there's a more minimum wage changes in the West, particularly you see in the Phoenix area, in the Arizona, California, Seattle. They had minimum wage increases, and a couple of them here in the last few years. They're going up a little bit faster. The best job growth is still in the South, and you're seeing it around energy and construction to some degree in the South, in Florida, Texas, and so forth. So think of all the small jobs around construction, whether it's residential or commercial, or around energy. These are the restaurants, these are the contractors that help around those industries.
What kind of money do those people make?
Yeah, well, a lot of them, unfortunately, they're at the minimum wage level. So the biggest increases are coming at the minimum wage levels. You're seeing states increase minimum wages sometimes from $10 or $11 an hour to $15. So you're seeing a big jump this year on the low end. And then also small businesses, the smaller they are, the harder it is for them to handle these wage increases. So they're not able to hire. They didn't gain as much from tax reform. They don't have as much pricing power. They don't have the recruiting power to get the employees. So smaller businesses are probably feeling the pinch in this low unemployment time more than anyone.
So, Marty, they're feeling the pinch maybe on taxes, maybe on costs. Are there animal spirits among those smaller businesses? That is to say, are they optimistic about the demand side, that there will be the business there that they can grow into?
Yeah, we really do hear that. The optimism is still pretty strong on small businesses, except for that fact that, I have work. Do I have to turn down some work because I can't find the people? And you're finding more of this, it's referred to as fringe hiring, right? So I may not have hired someone with only a high school diploma before. Now I'm hiring them and trying to train them in trades or in some of the skilled jobs. So it's an interesting kind of change. Also, with the mortgage rates kind of coming down and slowing down there, you may see this bump in housing that's been down a little bit year over year, new sales of homes or new homes being built. That could really drive some small jobs around that. Everything around housing could really pick up the job demand as well.
Marty, do you get the impression that small businesses can't find qualified workers because there aren't any, or because those workers don't want those jobs?
A little bit of both, but I think actually even more so, it's just they're not available. So that's why the South probably has the best job growth, is there's more people transitioning to the South, whether that be Texas or Florida, Georgia. There's more people there to take those jobs. And so you're seeing better job growth there. And again, small businesses don't have sometimes the benefit package, the ability to raise their wages quite as much. And so they're having a tougher time in this kind of market to hire and find the folks. The demand is there. They're positive about the demand, which is a great thing, but they're a little concerned about how to hire. Plus, regulations are up on small businesses, and that makes it more difficult, too.
Marty, a recurrent theme is the lack of sufficient skills. Be specific. Which skills are we lacking? Are these tech skills? Are these accounting services skills? What kind of services? If you were going to go into the business right now just training people, what business would you go into?
It would definitely be the tech skills. So it's very difficult to find folks that are laborers, that are, even whether it's plumbing or not landscaping, but building skills, those kind of things that are technical trades. More people are not going into those, and you don't have as much of a skill set there. And especially if things like housing comes back, it's going to be tough finding those people. So these businesses are getting creative in finding more ways to train them, and you're finding more community colleges going into that technical training as well to pick that up quickly.